Got it. Like that, we are back in Junction. When he tucked back away, these GoPros and flying, sometimes they work great, sometimes they just bug the heck out of me, because like the one on the wing wasn't turning on, the one inside like would record and then had an SD card failure. So I'm not sure what actually we ended up recording, but there's a little bit for you. I promise I'll get some more flying videos hopefully within the next couple months. But that's the one frustrating part. Like, I'm always flying either for work or for fun, but to get it to record adds like a whole nother process. Then you have to edit them. Definitely the hardest things to edit is the flying videos. So hopefully we'll see some more in the future.